Morning folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm replacing my leisure battery in my Defender 110. I have the leisure battery on a split charge system. It's a T-Max split charge system. All the additional accessories, electric accessories I've got on the vehicle are all powered off the leisure battery. So that includes additional interior lights in the utility bit, flashing amber beacons for work on the roof, the additional spotlights at the front, LED light bar, they're powered from the leisure battery. I have work lights at the front, at the rear and side of the vehicle as well. But there's a problem with the leisure battery. It doesn't hold a charge. Of course, it's out of warranty. So I have with me a new one. Just going to take the old one out and put the new one in. And this is a chance for me to show you the setup that I have for that leisure battery and the split charge system as well. So let's have a look. Multimeter set to voltage DC. Okay, multimeter set to voltage DC. Oh, there we go. Look, 9.7 volts. So it's out with the old, in with the new. Got my new Optima Yellow top here. So let's get to it. These cheap Chinese terminals, they're rounding off. I need to replace them. When the batteries are out, I'll give you a better look at the inside of here. Right, that bar sits across and there are 3 threaded supports with hooked bottoms which hook to the underside of the tray, and then you just tighten them down. It's a bit of a pig of a job to get out, but it's out now. Let's lift these out. Go, look, I'm on the height of fashion. And there is the dud battery. No visible signs of any damage, no leakage, no gas, no smell. Visual integrity is fine. Got any ideas of what I can do to recondition it? Please let me know. I can flog that, can't I, for a little bit? I can give you a better look in the battery box now. Remember when I said it was a mess of wires? I wasn't exaggerating, was I? However, they are all labelled and it is easy to rationalise them. I have 2 additional fuse boxes which I've mounted in the vehicle. One is at the rear of the vehicle on the back of the racking. I'll give you a look at that in a second. The second one is down here, and that is for the light bar, spotlight, CB, USBs. But that's one of those ones where if a fuse blows, it's got an LED light in it which illuminates, so you can more easily see which of the circuits is broken. At the front here, we've got a couple of relays, one for the light bar, one for the spotlights, and this is a solenoid which is controlled by the box of bollocks. You control your T-Max control box. Leisure. My pleasure in other people's leisure.
And a what? Pleasure. Like my pleasure in other people's leisure.
Do you?
Right. In she goes. Right, I'm going to do a quick few tests. I'm just going to pop these on and see if power is sent to the various parts of the vehicle. Try something. Let's try the light bar and the beacons. Before I get that tightened up, I am going to put the main battery in, because you have to do a bit of jiggery pokery with the cables and leads. So let's do that. I'm sure when the MOT inspectors come to look at this, they'd go, oh, for fuck's sake. I think they only have to check if it's secured down, don't they? The MOT? I think that's it. Main one isn't quite seated. Right, Bob is your uncle. Let's get that bar across now. You'll see I'm not so good, just be... Don't drop it, don't drop it. I'm in love with an uptown girl. Billy Joel. Why isn't that going on? There we go. I bet she's never driven a Fiat 500 or even a Fiat Panda. Alright, these are the auxiliary and all that because they're labelled up. And she knows what she wants. You see, I'm messed up here, and these are normally poke under. Right, ink dank do. Bish bash bosh. Kiss kiss bang bang. Okay, the internal lights have come on. Just going to check the T-Max system. Okay, well, that's good. I'm going to press this button now. What that will do is send a little bit of charge to the solenoid to manually connect the two, and you might hear a clunk. There we go. So now those two batteries are linked together. If I let go, if I press it, you hear that clunk. That's the solenoid disconnecting and connecting. When I turn the engine on, I can actually hear that, which is reassuring. Right, let me get these cinch tightened, whatever the word is. shit myself then. Pop that away. Final check. Multimeter in voltage DC. If you're wondering why I keep saying that, it's from 12.6. 12.6, excellent. I'm guessing they're the same from when I manually linked them, and they were balancing. Right, what we're going to do now, we're going to turn the engine on, and just going to make sure that the solenoid connects, and there's 14.7 or 14. What is it? 14.4, something like that. 14.4 going to the leisure battery, and that also registers at the rear of the vehicle as well. So you may hear, there you go, that was the click of the solenoid. Now 14.7, excellent. We'll go to the back of the vehicle, just check on that voltmeter. See what that's pulling at the back. Power at the rear, or yeah, 14.9 that's registering. Let's check the Dometic. So fridge. Yeah, look, there we go. I'm going to do a bit of a tester and I'm going to leave this running. That's on 14.8. That's fine, absolutely fine, fantastic. Well, there we are, folks. Swapped my leisure battery over successfully. I've ordered some new terminals to replace that positive side on the leisure battery because that one was I've not got much confidence in it. So we'll change that when they come. Amazon special. And I've gone round, light bar's working, all the power's working, power's to the rear, fridge is on. Job's a good one. Folks, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider pressing the thumbs up, really helps out the channel, doesn't cost you a penny. And consider subscribing. We've got plenty more work on the Landy to do, it's a never-ending job, and plenty more trips coming up as well. So thank you for watching, have a good day.